Hey guys, so this is the unboxing of Philips one blade electric hybrid shaver and trimmer. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into the unboxing. This is the first time I am holding this device in my hand. On the first impression, I can see the blade is not fixed to the body, it can move, so it will be a bit flexible along the jawline. So that's a great thing of this device. I will zoom into this blade so you can see. So this is the main thing which Philips is bragging about, the one blade system. It doesn't have a loud sound, although it has a bit low sound than other competitors.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
So these are all the contents which were given to me along with the box. One was the main device, and it had 3 heads from the size 1, 3 and 5 mm, and also it had a protection given for the blade and the default wall charger. Do note, this one is an Indian adapter. The build quality is fine, it is sturdy. As you can see, the blade has a special feature that it will turn green once the lifespan of the blade has reached to its ending stage. Let's go through some technical specifications of this device. It says it takes around 8 hours to charge and it will give a 45 minutes of battery backup on a complete charge. It uses a single motor to power it. It is IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. The removal and attaching the blade is pretty simple, and the blade heads are flexible. To remove, you just need to press the yellow button as shown. As you press it, the blade pops open. To attach the blade, you just need to insert the head into the device. On successful insertion, you will hear a click sound. Overall, the procedure is very simple and easy. Coming to the shaving quality, which I feel, according to me, it cannot beat the AquaTouch. It is a nice trimmer. However, Philips is marketing this device as a hybrid of shaver and trimmer. For trimming, it did a great job, but for shaving, as compared to the AquaTouch, it however couldn't beat that. I will say where the problem was. As you can see, the head is flexible. However, whenever I was using it over my jawline, I did notice some scratches and my skin became sensitive.
Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open.
Right now, I will demonstrate how to attach the blades. Attaching the blades are fairly simple. There are 3 attachments: 1mm, 3mm and the 5mm. Also, you will get one blade protection cover with this box. That's a great addition that Philips gave. If you are buying this as an alternative to your shaving machine, then this is not an ideal recommendation. However, if you want to buy a trimmer and you occasionally use it for shaving, you can go on. I had some bruises and cut after using this for shaving, hence I am thinking of sticking to AquaTouch for now. However, I will update my review as soon as I get used to the product for more than 5 or 6 days. So stay tuned.